Hello friends, welcome to IELTS Mate. In today's video, there's going to be an essay explained by me. But before watching an essay, it's important that you just have this notification from my side that this essay is a kind of demo essay. And if you really feel after watching this video, if you really feel you want to have online classes like these, means if you want to learn essay from me, you can just go to the link that is given in the description, and I am providing free demo class for 1 day, so at least you can try you can just at least join the demo class so that you can get the learning experience from my side. I teach in my WhatsApp group, and what all included in the course I would also like to explain that too. Firstly, when before posting essay in the group, I have a paid group in which the paying students are there. Before posting the essay in the group, we do mutual discussions regarding the topic. I post the topic and students give their ideas. I give them a question relating to the task, means I ask them like what approach can be followed for this particular topic, and they give ideas. I correct them. I try to confuse them regarding the approach to the question, and this generally leads to brainstorming, and they can grasp in better way like what has to be done in IELTS essay. After that, a video is posted from my side containing the same question, answer to the same question, and in my video I explain the essay. Not only thus I give the solution of the essay, I explain it fully, including how I may have made all the complex sentences I have included in the essay. Means I just don't give the solution, I explain the reason behind the complex sentences. Like if I have used although, I will explain how I have used it, why I have used it. If I use unless, until, if I have used being, structure, I will explain all these structures during the essay explanation in the video itself. And along with that, vocabulary, you may already know that temple of vocabulary is included in my essays if you have already watched my previous videos. Secondly, grammar exercises are regularly being provided to the students in the paid group. These grammar exercises are not that easy like any school student can do it. These are related to complex sentences again. Means I try to I firstly give examples of complex sentences, explain them how the sentence is made in the exercise. After that, I motivate them to write one complex sentence same in the same manner I've written. For example, if I've given them all the sentence, I will explain the sentence by myself, and then they will try to write. In this way, they can get more involved in like complex writing, academic writing. So still many more is there in the course. If you want to have more information about the course, please please click on the link below and just get into the group from that link, and then you can ask me about the paid group also in that group. So continue watching essay now. Hello friends, welcome to IELTS Mate. Today's question is on music. So there's a reason why I have chosen this question. This is discuss both the views, and the first view says that some people think music plays an important role in the society. Others think that it is simply a form of entertainment. Now we all know that music has a role to play, but what role it has for the society, we have to establish the connection between the music and the society. That is the big thing, and in my opinion, students may find it difficult to establish the connection while attempting this essay. That's why I have chosen the question music and the society. In the first view we have to explain this role or the connection between the music and the society, and other view saying that it is simply a form of entertainment. Now we all know that music is a form of entertainment, but explaining this how it is a source of entertainment, what are the reasons, we have to prove this, that in what means it entertains us. So in this essay we will look upon this thing only. Let us move to the introduction. For the introduction, I have chosen the general line. Music has its unique language. You can use in every essay of music that is related to music. So music has a unique language that is understood by everyone. Now for describing two views, this is the structure I always use, and for the newcomers I need to explain it again. Whenever you have been given two views in the question, what you always do is, after giving the general line, you need to mention these two views by saying that according to some people this and this, and other people think this. Yeah, according to certain people, yeah, according to one section of society, according to a school of thought, then you write the other people's opinion also. So we have to describe two opinions always. Now this is the way I have chosen to explain the two views, giving a lot of vocabulary. The word stands polarized. Polarized means divided into two contrasting perspectives. Means the word is divided into two. Divided into two. Contrasting means opposite views. Means the word is divided into two views, where one section of society vehemently believes that, then we'll give one opinion. One section of society means word is divided, and one section of the society means one section of the word vehemently means strongly believes that. Vehemently means strongly believes that music holds a crucial part to play. Music holds a crucial part to play. That was our first opinion. Agree with that? It holds a important role to play in the society. So I have given the first opinion here. Now without putting a full stop, I will continue, comma, whilst, or we can say while also, while or while same thing, whilst the other perceives, perceives it to be merely a source of amusement. Here we can also say others think that, or others reckon that it is a source of entertainment, but here this time I have chosen it this way, to write this way, while others perceive it means consider it to be, or as we can take as also here, but consider it as, or consider it to be, or perceive it to be merely a source of amusement. Amusement is used for entertainment here. Merely means just a source of entertainment. So this is the way I have rephrased both the views in my essay. Now I will give my opinion also. So if anyone has doubt that we don't give opinion in such kind of essay in the introduction, you can ask me. We always give the opinion here only because we don't want to keep the reader in the confusion. Now let's come to the next BP. Wait, let me elaborate. My opinion was, in my opinion, yeah, or from my perspective also, you can say, music serves not just one but multiple purposes. Here kind of I have agreed with both the views. Means the second view was saying that it is just a form of entertainment, and the first view is saying it has important role in society. But what my opinion is, I have just written that it has multiple purposes. Means I will go for its societal role also, and its role in entertaining others. Means I'm not here just one, means it is not only related to entertainment. It is not only related to entertainment. Indirectly I wanted to say that its role is not just one, means it is not only related to entertainment but multiple purposes it serves. Means I'm saying that it has many other roles to play in the society. Or you can write it in any other words or your words. Let us see the BP first. I need to mention one thing here. Whenever we are giving ideas in BP, in case of both the views essay, we have to start, we can never start our idea directly. We have to say that it is according to some people. Means we cannot say that according to us, according to me. And even if we start our idea directly, then also it will mean that you are the writer, so it is your opinion. So we have to say that there is a group of people who is saying this, not us. So we will say people perceiving music as a recreational source argue that. Means the people are arguing that, those people who perceive music as an entertainment source, recreation word is used for entertainment, argue that in this fast-paced competitive world, here I've written in this fast-paced competitive world, following a hectic and humdrum schedule. Humdrum means boring schedule. एक बोरिंग शेड्यूल को इन हिंदी बोरिंग शेड्यूल को फॉलो करना, फॉलोइंग अ हेक्टिक एंड हंड्रम शेड्यूल इज सो एग्जॉस्टिंग मीन्स टायरिंग, दैट पीपल after returning home take the recourse of music. Now they were saying that music is an entertainment source, and I'm showing you how I am going to prove this thing, how I'm going to elaborate this thing. So I'm saying that how it works as entertainment. I am trying to elaborate this, how it works as an entertainment source. So I'm saying that in this fast paced competitive world, following a hectic schedule is so tiring, means makes people tired. So when people return home, makes and here the structure I have used it, not the structure also, I have used the so that structure, is so tiring that, following a schedule is so tiring that people after returning home take the recourse of music. Take the recourse of is used when we want to say take the help of. In Hindi means सहारा लेना किसी चीज़ का, कि वो किसका सहारा लेते हैं फिर. तो take the recourse of music, then take the recourse of music in order to efface the strain of their, strain means stress, efface means remove the stress. Instead of remove the stress, I have written efface, efface, efface the strain of their back breaking day. So here I used most of the vocabulary of yesterday. Back breaking word I used yesterday also. So back breaking means the day in which we worked a lot, we worked hard. In Hindi, kamar tod dene wala. So in order to remove the stress of the back breaking day, this practice not only diminishes the stress. So here then we have written it not only diminishes the stress but also rejuvenates the mind. So it is somehow related to the entertainment, means the kind of entertainment provided by the music. It is only the entertainment that can rejuvenate us. Obviously this is an obvious thing, that entertainment can rejuvenate us. So this is how it is playing the role of entertainment. In this way, music does everything that a recreational source is supposed to do. So now I have concluded this idea by saying that what recreational source does, music does all those things. Means what a recreational source does, what we expect from a recreational source. We always expect that it will rejuvenate us, it will remove our stress. These are the two main things that a recreational source does. So in concluding sentence, I made it even more clear by saying that music does everything that a recreational source is supposed to do. Supposed to do means is expected to do, means everything what is expected from a recreational source. Then since I thought that it explaining the idea till here is sufficient because that had been explained properly, then I began with new one. How aptly music acts as an entertainment source is evident from the fact that, now I gave another proof. How aptly means appropriately. How appropriately music acts as an entertainment source is evident from the fact that, means it can be proved from the fact that any celebration is incomplete without music. So obviously it is the entertainment source that helps in celebration. So we can say that how appropriately it acts as an entertainment source is proved from the fact that any celebration is incomplete without music. When people dance on the beat of music, they release their pent up energy. Pent up energy means that is stifled within them. दबी हुई energy in Hindi. It means दबी जो उनके अंदर दबी हुई होती है. तो they release their pent up energy which augments the enjoyment. Augments means increases the enjoyment. So I'm saying that any celebration is incomplete without music. When people dance on the beat of music, they release their pent up energy, and this energy increases their excitement. So essays related to music are also quite common. So you must be knowing the ideas. You can write, so you can elaborate and prove that music is an entertainment source in this way. Now let us move to the next BP.